I want to hang out with people who don't want to hang out with me. And by people, I mean geese. Look how cute they are. You see them? There's actually several adults there and a bunch of babies. I would love to go and be friends with them. But of course they want nothing to do with me because they don't know that I'm not scary. I was riding my bike around and I just wanted to stop to quickly look at a little store, a little secondhand store. And I got off my bike, and the second I got off my bike, without even being able to lock it or even find a proper place to lean it, I looked over and there was a gang of teenage girls who looked at me and they all went, "Oh my God, it's that vegan teacher." And so I quickly got back on my bike, I just waved to them and I just left. I left because I don't want to always be that vegan teacher. Sometimes I just want to be a normal person in my neighborhood. I just want to hang out with the animals. They don't know who I am, and that's great. The closest I can get to them is to see their poop. There it is. They were here, and here, and here. And now they're over there. I'm not the only one, though. I saw some kids before also trying to make friends with them, and the geese ran away. But my goal is not to make them scared. I don't want them to feel like they have to run away. But I just want to get close enough for them to see that I'm not scary. So I'll just crouch down here and observe them. Hey guys. Your babies are so cute. They're keeping an eye on me. One of them is standing guard and watching me very closely, while the other one eats. And the babies just hang out there by the rocks, blending in. At any moment I could be attacked. I'm aware of that. At any moment I could be perceived as a threat. It would be normal, actually, for them to attack me, given all these little babies that are there. How many little ones do you see? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there are 8 of them. How many do you count? I guess it's a blended family because there's 4 adults. I wonder if each of them has 4 kids. What do you guys think? I feel it's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm going to get back on my bike and go again. But I just wanted to share this moment with you. Let me know in the comments below if you can see how a goose is like a chicken and how we shouldn't eat anyone. Can you see how a chicken is like a cat or a dog and how we shouldn't eat anyone? Can you see how all animals have a right to live and to be free? If you can, please Google the documentary called Dominion on YouTube. Watch it. And let me know what you learned. See you next time.